A broken heart can be one of the most difficult emotional events we experience in our lives. It's never easy getting over a broken heart, but after we heal, we are stronger in the broken places. Mending a broken heart means restoring your pride and having the faith to know that only by experiencing the dark can we appreciate the beauty of the light. If you're suffering from a broken heart, these 7 quotes will restore your faith and pride. Don't cry when the sun is gone, because your tears won't let you see the stars. Violeta Para. What's done is done. You cannot control other people, and you can never control the circumstances that arrived in your life. What you can always control is your reaction. You can always choose to see the positive. You can always choose to trust. Everything happens for good reason, and maybe something better is on the way. So keep going, keep believing, and looking for the positive in your life, because the greatest things can only be found if we are looking for you often. What feels like the end of the world is really the rough beginning of a new path, way to a far better place. A broken heart can be torturous to endure, but know that your broken heart will heal, become the strongest part of you. You know that this experience is part of your development, so that you may evolve into an improved version of yourself, capable of finding the self-love that you deserve at your absolute best. You still won't be good enough for the wrong person at your worst. You're priceless to the right person. Keep looking. It's amazing how we develop tunnel vision for one wrong person when there are over 7 billion people on this earth. If you can comprehend that number, you'll realize there is someone so much better for you out there, but you must be open to them. So stand tall and focus on becoming the best version of yourself, so that you are ready when you do meet the right person. Stay real, stay loyal, stay honest. Like attracts like, so make sure your actions and intentions are a match for the match you will like in your life. Stay true to yourself, your values, and your character. The universe will bring you someone that matches your frequency. One day you're going to remember me and how much I loved then. You're going to hate your Salvi for letting me go. Drake, no, your worth, your sacrifice is an incredible gift. Anyone that doesn't realize that is not ready to love or be loved. Be true to yourself and watch former lovers come crawling back. But by then it will be too late, because you will have realized your true worth. Move on, not with revenge or hate in your heart, just with self-respect and pride, knowing you are worth more. A broken heart is just the growing pains necessary so that you can love more completely when the real thing comes along. J.S.B. Morris. Every relationship we have teaches us a valuable lesson. You can learn the lesson or risk making the same mistake again. Heartbreak can be immense, but there are a few things in life that will command such power of will and self-growth. To overcome heartbreaks are really blessings, but we only realize this much later. So know that your pain is necessary for you to develop into the person that will find love. To be rejected by someone doesn't mean you should also reject yourself, or that you should think of yourself as a lesser person. Remember that only one person has rejected you at that moment, and it only hurts so much because to you that person's opinion symbolized the opinion of the whole world. Jocelyn Soriano. Someone's perception of you does not determine your reality. Know your value or spend your life as a servant to others' opinions. You can be rejected because your character is too genuine, which cannot be matched. So they take an early exit to maintain their own pride. Focus on self-improvement. Only when you meet someone truly on your level, where you feel that intrinsic connection, until then live your truth. Be yourself, work on yourself, love yourself, and live your life.